Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Wednesday, May 19th. I know you guys want to see more vlogs of what my life is like just here at home, so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Yesterday and the day before, I actually had a friend in town, my friend Ashley, who lives in Seoul. She came to visit me. She was an English teacher and she recently stopped teaching. She's just taking a break from it right now, so it's so fun to have her here. One of the goals, I guess, of having this apartment is this summer I want to be able to give my friends a little like beach house getaway. So it's like, I don't know, I'm such like a hoster. I also love having my girlfriends come in town because it reminds me of when I was in college and I had roommates. I'll go ahead and show you guys all the footage that I took with her and then we'll jump back to today. Showing Ashley my camera.
I'm obsessed.
So we just came to this cafe. I've actually vlogged here before. It's the really cute kind of surfer style cafe and we're having some brunch. And oh look, it stopped raining. It's kind of a gloomy day, but it's actually like not cold, which is nice. But yeah, we're just having some brunch and then we're going to go to Damaji Hill, which has like a bunch of cute cafes and it's a hill with like an ocean view on the right side, and then we're gonna go to Hyundai tonight. So
for the best fish and chips I've ever had.
Yeah, and she's vlogging also, so you guys should go check out her channel. Love the flower touch. Guys, look at this watermelon juice. It's their juice of the day.
Oh my god.
Right?
Wait.
So fresh.
This tastes like China.
Oh really?
Yeah, they have like really good like watermelon juices.
How do you like find out that you're allergic to food?
It was actually like junior year or something like that, and, or maybe even senior. I was in my sorority house and like, you know, like they have food and stuff out.
Yeah.
And they had kiwis, and I had not had a kiwi in no joke like quite a few years, and I was so excited. So I was like, oh my god, kiwis! So I ate one, and my throat started getting really itchy, and my ears burned, but I didn't like really associate it because like if I'm like running around and stuff, sometimes.
Cafe time. I don't think so. Okay, we are at this cafe. It's called Rendezvous. This is a really popular cafe. They have a few in Korea. And I really like it because you kind of feel like you're outside because this is the floor. And it is at Hyundai Beach. There's also one in Guanali, but I think this has a prettier view. Got our little work set up over here. garlic. I wish you guys could see us right now, just like sitting here with our cameras. We're like
Having a great
staring at our cameras instead of like talking to each other.
Yeah, we have a beautiful beach,
Right.
ocean.
It is actually really pretty.
Chilling with our cameras.
I feel like I'm always showing you guys different beaches in Korea, except the beaches where I live. Like I'm never actually vlogging Busan beaches. So this is Haeundae Beach, one of the main beaches in Korea and in Busan. It's a pretty big beach actually, and there are tons of apartments and hotels along this beach. Obviously it's a really gloomy day, so no one's out here tanning, but in the summer people tan here. And if you're wondering where I live in Gwanali, which is kind of like around that hill and like 10 minutes driving away. So guys, fun fact, we're getting fish and chips right now, and it's been a long time since I've had this, but actually I know a lot of you guys don't know this, I'm actually from England. I was born there. I lived there until I was 8, so I'm a dual citizen, which means if one day I wanted to, I could go back to England without needing a visa or anything like that, so that's fun. But it's just ironic that like I'm British and I haven't had fish and chips in such a long time. I'm really, really, really excited. And the rain stopped, so we get to sit outside.
Oh my god, like look at this background. Wait, I'm gonna like catch this next to you when we eat.
Yes.
Just so, like,
oh, yeah, good
like,
idea.
Like, what?
This is, here we are.
This?
We're like, oh my god, I like this spot a lot.
That was a good call on your part. She chose a spot and like this background.
This is the city.
This is the Bay 101. Like this is literally the Bay, and that's the 101 part over there. The 101 in the Bay. That was a good video.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Actually, it's so big. I forgot it was that big.
This is a lot of food. Wow.
Yes, okay. What do you think?
Cheers.
Yeah?
It's so good.
Yeah. How about that?
It's really, 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 really soft.
Like, I'm gonna do like one of those like breaky things. I made mukbang. How do I do this?
How did you find this place?
My boyfriend and I were like literally, we were staying in Haeundae, and we just walked over here one night because we were like walking. We had actually just eaten like a huge scallop dinner.
Yep.
And we were walking it off.
Oh,
and so we came here, and he just wanted to like chill for a second, maybe like get some water because we had been walking a lot. And then we saw this. And
tell everyone that you are now 9. I don't know if I've vlogged with you guys since Cleo had her birthday, but she turned 9 years old. Alright guys, so I actually ended up getting a hula hoop online. I got it on coupon, but you could obviously get this on Amazon. It's one of those that you can take apart and put back together, and I'm just gonna start hula hooping every day and see what it does for me. I'm gonna see if it helps tighten, because I've heard things about that, and it's a fun way to exercise by doing something different. My philosophy is like, find a type of exercise that you like. All right, next day. Hello, good morning. It's currently 10:06. I just got in from being outside with Cleo for 2 hours. It is so warm now, so I love, like, if it's a nice sunny day, I love just walking with her for as long as I can. I'm gonna go to my PT appointment at 12 p.m. So around now, like usually 2 hours before, hour and a half before, I'll have my breakfast. I'll usually have like 3 eggs and oatmeal for breakfast. I'm actually out of eggs today, so we're gonna put something else together. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know if you can tell, Cleo's sleeping right there. Cleo! Hi! Alright, I just finished my breakfast. It's currently at 10:50. I thought I would just sit down and talk to you guys because I feel like we haven't just chatted and caught up and like talked in a while. So it feels like weird and different, but good to be sitting down and vlogging in my house for you guys today. I don't think I've talked to you guys since before my birthday, I guess. But yeah, it was my birthday at the end of April. I turned 24. Woot woot, time is flying. I can't believe that I have been in Korea for almost 2 years. Exactly 2 years ago, I came to Korea for the first time, just for a little vacation, and look where we are now. Isn't that crazy? Also for my birthday, I did get this shelf that you see behind me. You can see kind of a preview of how it's decorated. I think I'm going to be filming my apartment tour this weekend, so be on the lookout for that. There is just one more thing I want to get for my house. So I'm really excited to show you guys a full tour because I haven't really shown you my crib much. And is there anything else I have to report on? It's like officially hot. It's like summer now. It feels great. I've been waiting for summer for such a long time. And I just can't even explain to you guys how grateful I am for you and you guys giving me the chance to, like, you know, live here on the beach this summer. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. And hi. Sit. Shake. Down. Good girl. What is it? Oh. Alright, hi guys. So it is later in the afternoon now. It's actually more evening. It's about 5 o'clock. After my PT, I came home, I ate, and I did a little bit of editing and that kind of stuff. I've realized is for me, on days that I go to the gym, if I'm going like at noon, I tend to kind of have like a midday crash at like 3:34, and for a while I tried to like power through it and make myself not like nap. But what I realized is for me it just makes more sense to take like a 30 to 45 minute power nap, and that way I feel like I can work so much longer. I actually have focus when I wake up. So what I was saying is I took a little power nap. I woke up, took Cleo out again. I just made my drink that I have been trying. This is a drink that I just got from a beauty store here, Olive Young. They have like a health section. I've been wanting some kind of drink that I can just like quickly make that also has a lot of health benefits. Anyways, for the rest of my evening, I'm going to edit, and I would typically go to a cafe right now because on a weekday, cafes around my area aren't super packed at this hour. But today is actually a holiday. It's Buddha's birthday. Happy birthday, Buddha. But because of that, there are so many people out right now, and I don't know if going to a cafe right now would be good for working and productivity or if it would be bad. So that is my current dilemma. Should I go to a cafe or should I edit my house? What should I do, Cleo? Yeah, the rest of this video is literally just going to be me editing, and definitely leave a comment below. And if you like these kinds of videos where I just bring you guys and turn on the camera while I edit, I can make more content like this. For some reason, I feel like you guys just don't want to see my boring days like today, but if you like them, definitely let me know. Side note, I have been using like green tea mist lately, or just any kind of refreshing mist, and they are a necessity now that it's getting warm out. I love these mists. They feel so good.